Now, time to making ready, packing everything. Me and my husband, we're gonna go motorcycle trip. So yeah, looking forward. Cannot wait to see how fun it is. But before we go everywhere, we need to drive to Laos first, and then making free visa or what, like get out and come in again for my husband. So let's go see it.
Are you ready, my everything, for the big adventure? Howdy.
Before we go everywhere, first we need to go say goodbye to my mom, of course, and goodbye to my children. But I don't think my children give a shit about me. So. Now we are in Chiang Mai already. First, I need a document for me to get out from Thailand. And I don't know how much I can film in the what you call the place where to make a visa. So I will try. Of course, they say no photo, no video. But yeah. So the next step, we try to find somewhere to eat and take a break. And then we find this place. They call Rare Kong Restaurant in Kemat. We will eat here, and then we will find some hotel to stay. But in this restaurant, they have hotel also. But I need to try something new. So this place, I will recommend you to come here. Really, really good food. And I'm very sure at night they will have live music and a lot of people come here. So enjoy. Now my happiness time is coming to get food and cold beer. So I order crab fried rice for my husband, and then I get pork fry with the curry put on top of rice. So I will enjoy my food. Hotel in the Kemat district has swimming pool and everything. Very, very nice hotel to buy. So I will put the hotel contact in the link. So if anybody want to stay close to Mekong River, just contact them, okay? This is day number 2 now. I don't know why last night I cannot sleep, even I have soft bed and nice room for sleep. Maybe I'm looking forward too much. So let's go see where we're gonna go today. Before you do anything and go everywhere, first coffee. My sweet husband made for me, so I better drink it. This is the beautiful morning, and this the place where we stay. They call Inkhong Hotel. Have a nice swimming pool. Yeah, very close to the river. Yeah, have a handsome man sitting. I don't know if you see it. This place for the breakfast. We pay 800 baht, not includes breakfast. But I don't know if I need breakfast or what, because we never wake up and get breakfast. Hello, handsome.
Oh, good morning.
My husband, he finished already. It's only me who a little bit slowly because I'm busy take care of him. If you like my video, remember to subscribe and share and comment, and enjoy your day. See you for the next video. Love you guys.